Okay, example number 3 in the parabola. We are in the vertex at HK. Okay? Ngayon, we have two equation in the vertex at HK. Pero mamaya, i-plot muna natin ito. Yung vertex daw natin is negative 2, 3. That is 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3. So, therefore, nandito yung ating vertex. And then, yung focus natin is negative 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, 3. So, nandito yung focus. So, itsura ng ating parabola ay paganyan. Opens to the left. We have two equation in the vertex at HK. That is x minus h squared is equal to 4p multiplied by y minus k. Tapos, yung isa naman ay y minus k squared tapos is equal to 4p multiplied by x minus h. Okay, yung x minus h squared, kapag ang parabola opens upward or downward. Kapag y minus k opens to the right or left. Okay, so therefore, anong gagamitin natin equation? Ito. So, isa-substitute lang natin, y minus k squared is equal to 4p times x minus h. Substitute natin. What is our k? Ito yun. HK ito. Yung h natin, negative 2. Yung k, 3. So, therefore, y minus, ano yung k? That is 3 squared minus 4p is equal to 4p. Ano yung p natin? Yun yung distance ni vertex to focus. Ito yun. So, on distance, 1, 2. Dahil paharap siya sa left, so negative 2. So, negative 2 multiplied by negative 2. And then, x minus h. Ano yung h natin? Multiply by x minus, ano yung h? That is negative 2. So, magiging positive 2. And then, therefore, y minus 3 squared is equal to negative 8 multiplied by x plus 2. Ngayon, ito yung standard form of the equation of our parabola. Pero ang pinapahanap is general form. So, i-expand nyo yung y minus 3 squared. So, dito na lang sa taas. So, therefore, y squared minus 6y plus 9 is equal to negative 8x minus 16. Ito yun. Okay? So, y squared minus 6y, lipat na natin yung 8, yung negative 8x sa kabila, so plus 8x. And then, yung negative 16 sa kabila, din magiging positive, that is 25 plus 25 is equal to 0. This will be the general form of the equation of our parabola. Okay? How about the directrix? Kung ang distansya ni vertex to focus ay 2, alam natin na si directrix always behind the vertex. Ito yung vertex. So, nasa likod lagi ni vertex. So, magbibilang din tayo ng 2. 1, 2. So, nandito yung ating directrix. So, the directrix is x is equal to 0. Kasi nasa y-axis tayo. Bakit? Halimbawa, kung ang x is 0, maghanap tayo number, any number, 0, 3. Halimbawa, di ba pag pinaplot ang 0, 3, 0, 3, 1, 2, 3. Nasa y-axis tayo. So, ang x is 0, always. Okay, kung nandyan yung ating directrix. Okay?